चाहिए मस्ती और दिमागी कसरत के लिए। पहला, रहस्यमयी बात बताओ, बिना पंख के मैं उड़ जाऊं, मैं दिखता भी नहीं, सबको ठंडक पहुंचाऊं। ए धूप, बी हवा, सी बिजली, डी पानी। आपका उत्तर बिल्कुल सही है, हवा। दूसरा, मुझे कोई देख नहीं सकता, छू नहीं सकता, पर मैं हर किसी के पास हूँ। ए आत्मा, बी समय, सी हवा, डी परछाई। आपका उत्तर गलत है, सही उत्तर है समय। तीसरा, मैं सबको दिखाती हूँ, खुद कुछ नहीं कहती हूँ। ए चित्र, बी कांच, सी आईना, डी पानी। आपका उत्तर बिल्कुल सही है, आईना। चौथा, ना मैं जीव हूँ ना कोई वस्तु, फिर भी हर समय मैं साथ रहती हूँ। ए हवा, बी आत्मा, सी छाया, डी सोच। आपका उत्तर बिल्कुल सही है, सी छाया। पांचवा, मुझे खाना मत खिलाना वरना सब जला डालना। ए आग, बी गैस, सी बल्ब, डी हीटर। आपका उत्तर बिल्कुल सही है, आग। तो इसी के साथ मैं आज का विशेष कार्यक्रम समाप्त करती हूँ। धन्यवाद और आपका दिन शुभ हो।
And my friend Mansi are here with a very special and powerful message. Something that can truly change your focus, boost your confidence, and yes, even help you score better in maths and science.
Friends, let's be honest. These days, most of us struggle to concentrate, right? Be it in studies, assignments, or even listening in class. But have you ever thought why this is happening? It's mainly because of one thing, excess use of mobile phones.
Yes, we scroll, scroll and scroll without even realizing. We are training our brain to lose focus. Our confidence drops. Our thinking becomes slow and slowly we lose interest in learning.
But here's the good news. There's a simple and fun way to bring your focus, confidence and brain power back on track. Can you guess what it is? Exactly. The answer is puzzles.
Puzzles are not just time pass, they are actually mental workouts. Just like you need to exercise your body, you need to exercise your brain. Let's introduce you to 6 puzzles that can train your brain and improve your academic power.
Here are the 6 brain boosting puzzles. Rubik's Cube increases speed, memory and hand-eye coordination.
Sudoku trains logic and number sense.
Jigsaw puzzle improves patience and visual memory.
Crossword puzzle sharpens vocabulary and thinking.
Tangram puzzles boost creativity and geometry skills.
Brain teasers quick fun questions that stretch your thinking.
Even if you solve just one puzzle a day, you will notice a change. You will feel sharper, calmer, and more confident while studying.
You may ask, how will puzzles help in school studies? Well, Rubik's Cube improves problem solving, Sudoku helps in logical thinking, and crossword improves your language and spelling. So yes, puzzles actually make you better in maths, science, and English.
Now, let us show you a real example of how powerful puzzle practice can be. Here are 2 of our classmates who will solve the Rubik's Cube live. And you can see their speed and focus on the TV screen with the timer.
Before they start, we would like to invite our class teacher to please come forward and scrabble the cubes for them. Thank you, sir. So let's get started. Ready, set, go.
Just look at their concentration. Their hands move fast, but their focus never breaks. They are not just turning a cube, they are training their brain to stay calm, to think ahead, and to solve problems step by step.
dedication and practice can create extraordinary results.
You see, puzzles like the Rubik's Cube are not just games. They are training tools for your mind, your memory, and your mindset.
Every minute spent solving a puzzle builds confidence, improves focus, and strengthens your ability to face challenges, not just in class but in life.
Like this, we can also learn to solve the problems of our lives. Because always remember, not just for every problem, there is a solution.
Thank you and have a bright, focused and positive day ahead.
रक्षणे उपयोग्यं विशेषां सूचना युक्तां प्रस्तुतिं कुर्मः। अग्निशमनयन्त्रस्य विषये अग्निः नियन्त्रितः सन् मित्रं भवति, अपि च अनियन्त्रितः शत्रुः भवति। सः अस्मान् ऊष्मा, प्रकाशः, ऊर्जा च यच्छति, किन्तु यदि सः अनियन्त्रितः भवेत् तर्हि सः जनानां जीवितं, सम्पत्तिं च विनाशयितुं शक्नोति। अतः अग्निशमनयन्त्रस्य प्रयोगविधेः ज्ञानम् अतीव आवश्यकम्। एषः लघुः रक्तवर्णः पात्रः आपत्तिकाले नायकवत् कार्यं करोति। इदानीं तस्य प्रयोगं ज्ञास्यामि। इदानीं प्रक्षाल्यपात्रम् उत्तोलनं कुर्यात्, यत् अम्लं शनैः अधः सर्जयति च। यः सोडियं हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट् वर्णेन सह मिश्रणं करोति। एतस्मात् रासायनिकप्रतिक्रियया कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ग्यासः उत्पद्यते। एषा ग्यासः नलिकया निर्गच्छति च यं ज्वलन्तदीपिकायां प्रवाहयति।
Good morning to one all present here. Today we are here with a special and informative presentation on a life-saving device, the fire extinguisher. Fire is our friend when controlled and our enemy when out of control. It gives us warmth, light and energy, but if it spreads uncontrollably, it can destroy lives and properties in seconds. That's why it is very important to know how to use a fire extinguisher. Let us learn how this small red cylinder can be a hero in emergencies.
इदानीं यदा वयम् अग्निशमनयन्त्रस्य प्रयोगं जानीमः, तदा पश्यामः कथं वयं विद्यालयप्रयोगशालायाम् अथवा गृहे अपि सरलवस्तुभिः लघु अग्निशमनयन्त्रस्य निर्माणं कर्तुं शक्नुमः। यूयं मन्यते यत् अग्निशमनयन्त्रं कठिनयन्त्रं भवति, किन्तु अस्माभिः तस्य लघुरूपं विज्ञानस्य सहायेन निर्माणं कर्तुं शक्यम्। इदानीं दूरदर्शकपटे अस्य प्रयोगस्य चलचित्रं पश्यामः।
Now, let us see how we can make a simple fire extinguisher using materials found in school labs or even at home. You might think a fire extinguisher is a complicated machine, but we can actually create a mini fire extinguisher using basic science. So, now let's watch a video of this experiment on the TV screen.
How to use? P. Pull the pin. पिन्नं निष्कासयत् एतेन यन्त्रम् अनुलोममितं भवति। A. Aim the nozzle. नलिकायाः अग्रभाजम् अग्नेः मूलभागे लक्ष्यीकुरुतु। S. Squeeze the handle. हस्तग्रहं नुदतु, एतेन शमनद्रव्यं निर्गच्छति। S. Sweep side to side. नलिकां पार्श्वतः अपि च पार्श्वतः च चालयतु, अग्नेः अधोभागे एव।
To remember how to use a fire extinguisher, we use a simple keyword pass. Let me explain what each letter means. P. Pull the pin. This unlocks the extinguisher. A. Aim the nozzle pointed towards the base of fire. S. Squeeze the handle begin. Next S stands for swipe side to side. Move the nozzle from one side to another at the base of fire. Always remember, never aim at the flame. Aim at the base of fire to stop it completely.
अतः प्रियमित्राणि अग्निशमनयन्त्रं केवलं यन्त्रं न अस्ति अपि तु प्राणरक्षकः अस्ति एषः भित्तिषु निशब्दं तिष्ठति किन्तु आपद्गते तत् क्षणमात्रेण कर्मं करोति आवयवः सङ्कल्पं कुर्मः सर्वदा सज्जगाः भवेम सुरक्षाविज्ञानं जानेम च आवश्यककाले अन्येभ्यः सहायं कुर्मः सावधानं भवतः सुरक्षितं जीवनं यापयते धन्यवादः
So, the fire extinguisher is not just a device, it's a lifesaver. It stands quietly on the wall, but when danger strikes, it acts in seconds. Let us all take a pledge to be alert, to learn safety, and help others in need of time. Be aware, stay safe, thank you.
Let's like that painting in our school shows. But do we ever think about the 90s kids? Mobiles were not that common back then. Very few people had them. What were they doing in those days? They were playing games in the ground. There were many nostalgic games played back then. Children used to run, jump, and laugh together instead of sitting along with a phone. They discovered joy in small things and made real memories, not just virtual ones. Exactly. I think many of our teachers have lived through those wonderful days. The memories they made were precious. Do you ever think, do you know what games they played? I have heard about a few of those games, but I am really curious to know more. Can you share some with me? Yes, why not? There were many variety games. I will introduce some of them. Number 1, hoopscotch. Players hoop through a pattern of number squares drawn on the ground, throwing a stone into the square and interpreting it while maintaining balance. 7 stones. 7 flat stones are stacked and one team tries to knock them over with a ball. The opposing team tries to reset the stones before being hit by that ball. Third, blindfold. One player is blindfolded and tries to tag or find the members of others by sound, touch or memory within the defined space. Marbles. Players place their marbles inside a drawn circle. Each player uses a shooter marble to knock others out of the circle. Any marbles knocked out are kept by that player. The one with the most marbles wins. Hide and seek. A universally popular game. One person counts with their eyes closed while the others hide. After counting, the seeker tries to find everyone. Gilli Danda. An indigenous sport played with 2 sticks, a small one called the gilli and a larger one called the danda. The gilli is hit with the danda to send it flying with the opponent trying to catch it. 7. Dodgeball. Played with a rubber ball, players try to hit it with other members, the opposite team with the ball. Pond and shore. A circle is drawn to represent the pond and the area outside is the shore. Players jump into the pond or onto the shore as instructed by a player. Anyone who makes a mistake is out. Wow, these games are amazing. What about board games? Does kids play Ludo, Snake and Ladder and Carrots back then? Yeah, those were super popular. These games were crucial for the physical and mental development of children. They also fostered social bonds and taught kids to interact and cooperate. I had similar experience. I know these games because my parents always tell me about the golden days which will never come back again. When I am playing games on my mobile phone, they say these days are your golden days. Use them properly instead of just chatting on mobiles and in groups. Yeah, your parents are right. I have noticed that even in our schools when PT periods are given, many students just sit in groups and talk. That's not the right way. We are children and these days will never come back. Let's utilize them and make memories we will cherish forever. Exactly. Those childhood days we spend wishing to be adults and those adulthood days we spend wanting to return to childhood memories. So, dear friends, we would like to conclude by saying that childhood is a wonderful time that never comes back again. The memories we create today will stay in our hearts forever, reminding us of laughter, friendship and the simple joys of life. Childhood memories are